Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and it is time for the August challenge. The ephemera sheets for this free challenge went out to my email list today, but if you'd like to join us, you can sign up using the link in the description down below and get them sent to you right away. This challenge is available to new signups until the September challenge is posted, so grab it before it's gone. Let's jump right into the challenge theme and rules, but I hope that you'll stick around because after this, I have some exciting updates about changes to my email list and my YouTube videos. This month's challenge is called The Lost Bloom. If you crafted along with me in the Curio Flora file, you may remember that the bloom keeper made a trade in the spectral garden, a bloom for a bloom. When they left, they had no memory of the flower they traded to the sorceress, no idea what it looked like, where it was from, or what potential it may have. I've left room for you to be creative and come up with your own name, where it was found, care, and use. But I've also included some pre-written ones just in case you're not up for a creative writing challenge. Here are the rules. Create a crafty project using at least 3 elements from these ephemera sheets by August 31st, 2025. This can be a tag, journal page, envelope, anything you like, and you can add any other supplies that you want. Then take a photo or a video of your work in progress or your finished project and post them to the Facebook group with the hashtag #LostBloom. You can find the link to the group in the description down below. You can post more than once about your project, so feel free to share images of setting up your craft space, half-completed challenges, and your finished work. Then take a moment to find other hashtag #LostBloom posts and cheer on your fellow crafters. You can find these rules in the included PDF. The PDF is interactive, so you can use it to get to the Facebook group and search for posts with this month's hashtag. I'll also put the same links in the description of this video. From here on out, I'm also going to do the challenges right along with you, and I'll be posting my work in the group. So if you want to see what I come up with, you can head on over, join the group, even if it's just to lurk and see what everyone else comes up with. So now that you have all the details about this month's challenge, I'd like to chat a bit about some tweaks I'm making to my freebies and my YouTube content. And I figured the best way to do that was face-to-face. First, I want to talk about how excited I was to release Willow of Whispers this week. I spent a really long time on this kit. It felt like the more I worked on it, the more details I wanted to add. And it just grew and grew and grew until it became something that I'm really proud of. And the level of detail I've put into Willow of Whispers and Bright One Academy is the level of detail that I would like to continue to put into my kit. And that's what brings me to some of the changes I'm going to make because I'm trying to prevent myself from getting burnt out. I got a little melty during this project, and I know I'm overextending myself trying to do the free projects every Friday and keep everything rolling all the time. And I need a little bit of a break. So to prevent that burnout from creeping in, I am going to make some few small tweaks to the type of content I'm putting out and the type of freebies that I'm going to be sending you. However, don't worry, I'm still going to send out a little something every Friday. We're just going to mix it up a little bit. So once a month, I am going to do a guided project, probably based on a theme that I am currently working on. And then the other 3 or 4 Fridays, because sometimes there's 4, sometimes there's 5, I'll be filling it with other things. So one week will be a challenge every month. One week will be some sort of tutorial if it fits. And my tutorial, say I have an upcoming tutorial for how to fussy cut. So I'm going to send you some fussy cuts and I'll use those in the video. So if it fits, I will send a freebie that fits with the tutorial. If it doesn't fit, I'll just send you something fun. And the last week of the month, I am working on a little something just for my subscribers. There will be no public video. There will only be a private video for this. And it's kind of a reward for being with me for the whole month and a celebration of whatever project we did that month, whatever challenge we did that month. We're going to make a little something as a growing collection, a growing celebration of our time together. And also, I know some of you give your projects away after you make them. So this will be a little memory that you can hold on to for yourself. And it's like, yeah, I made that, I did that, but then I gave it away. so so I have that coming up. If there are 5 Fridays, I may take a Friday off. I'll probably send you some junk journal paper or something like that, but I might have no video, It could be I don't send anything. I'll just send a quick little update email. I need a vacation every once in a while. If I'm not taking a break, then I'll probably send you some junk journal paper or something like that. And maybe there's a bonus video. So it just depends. I need to leave some room for mental breaks and just taking some time for myself. So I hope these changes are not an unwelcome surprise. I hated to make any changes. I really enjoyed everything that we've been doing, but I think that we can shift a little bit. I can reward those of you with kind of secret freebies for being with me for so long and sticking with me, staying on the email list, crafting with me every Friday. And and I love that. I love that for us. But I can also give myself just a little break. I'll slow down just a little bit and leave some room for some time off so I can keep making kits for my shop and keep making great freebies and challenges and other little things to send to you in those Friday emails. So if you stayed, thank you. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for hearing my plans for the future and just what's going on with me. And hopefully, I will see you all in the next video.